shoot Sura. You took the shoot Porto, but you Madonna Trump a while out, and you try to say, no, Madonna Trump, who you the just about, who you the just for Lel, who give a fuck, who you the just for Lel, or just about, who you the guy for while out, Madonna Trump. That's what matter. Who you the guy for while out, Madonna Trump. Wenu, danga de wenu. Wasaka banado danga de wenu. Danga jenna nas kulmayom de wenu. Wenu kumu batako. I know Mr. Riek Machar. We put Riek Machar in jail. What it can Mr. Mushakal, but Mushakal. Riek Machar, they shall the Mushakal. Should Riek Machar, Buduk Danga. Riek Machar God decision Buduk Danga. Riek Machar God Barak Buduk Danga. Just imagine. They could be able to taban there. They could be able to taban there. Riek Machar God Barak, Utum Jib Uganda. Riek Machar God decision Utum Elizabeth Jib Uganda. Ah, madam. Asa ni nadu denga madam Riek Machar. Angelina tende madam Riek Machar. De denga kullu yo madam Riek Machar. Denga kullu madam Riek Machar. Oh yeah. Riek Machar God is utum gal we anona sigen Riek Machar utum liza bebe unasa chani chakalu Riek Machar God. Riek Machar zar wasal fi America. Ma uyit ma jab fi America sagat. Uyit representing Riek Machar. Riek Machar jab fi America u gar fi sigen ayo. Ayo. Ma bagar danga. Riek Machar wasn't for America. Utum galana Riek Machar God with Sijin. Riek Machar God for White House. Who you did representing Riek Machar in White House? Imagine who. Oh, imagine denga yo. Denga kan kuchi muta go with Riek Machar God for White House, not Blue House. White House in your face. Riek Machar God decision Elizabeth Aladingum. Riek Machar God bara Elizabeth Aladingum. Budun Uganda, Riek Machar denga bugum bijunu Sudan kulo. Ata don't you believe now Riek Machar Rajil? Riek Machar Rajil. The ma Rajil sagat. Rajil. Pidenka yon wat sejenu Jafi America. Salva Kiir batawu maji da bat fi Juba da tata ba baji fi America lo wasal fi America dana Trump inta minu tawali lakin chuba SPLA ayo fi wild jabu sura batawu yidi ma dana Trump won ma gibi fo la de magiga ke buzo na ga fi wild ya kwana de USA yo kata ticket batawu USA dana Trump kata ticket batawu free bas ke de bas Denga jabi wild young white. Denga rebel jabi wild young white. Lode denga jabi wild. De John Grang. O de Dictor Dishan Minuer. Farfeza Dishan yo jabu. Am ji shub tarik buda Dishan. Ashan John Grang jibu fi America. De Dictor Dishan yo jabu. Young Dictor Dishan back then. Yo jabu fi America. Am ji shub tarik buda Dictor Dishan. Farfeza Dishan yo jabu fi America. Dictor. Your child of Congress to introduce him. Lakin denga kada brao mabaji. Denga shagal bikenya na gade biu Malaya bazo gade biu bikenya. Malaya uko pana we. Wana jua Swahili. Malaya wana jua Swahili. Yo denga kada mudu bikenya na. We Malaya wana jua Swahili. Hakuna Swahili. Lakin chub Riek Machar. Riek Machar galu ba anona bi Riek Machar sejeno Riek Machar ma pe baratan Riek Machar ba kam Riek Machar ga fi White House madana Trump ayo pan diaro ayo pan diaro kada dugle na lugar denga diaro amida gwek hello? Dictor Okon, yeah. Do you know where I am? Where you are, really? I'm in White House with Donald Trump. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, you did? Now, instead of calling you acting commander-in-chief, who will double it? Acting Dr. Commander-in-Chief, who you did? I am sure. Acting Dr. Commander-in-Chief, who you did? Who you call him from White House? What about Dinka? What about Dinka? Dinka they win. Denga del jinanuna fi junub de da denga bar ba yaje. Denga they win. Galu Dana Trump ma denga. Dana Trump reject denga. Dana Trump ma chup denga kulkul. Dana Trump kara denga deal gede. Oh shit. Dana Trump ma beef denga. Ma denga gal. We are the majority. Oh no about this. Oh no about this. Bet sunun ma fe sunun de sunun bra nyaw. Baba Kira Bidor 2032. Baba, shut the hell up, dude. You talk too much. Baba Kir Fadal Vijinu now. Riak Mishar wasn't for America. Panidiar. And I should a lul kong. The Calamity UN. Woo! Congratulations, Le Moton Dako. Moton Dako was Jabara in purchasing decision, but at terrorists. That's we go nowhere. Another mama mal. Another guy in my UN. Another my dad in South Sudan people defend up. Another dad in UN. Another dad Nuer Mashi. They took it to next level. They took it from different level. Huh? Noir. The Nuer gal there be ubara dare. Who you the guy for wires? The Nuer. Akoba gal another my derin. Mida gweze banaru so Sudan people defend up, defend Kosum. I'm to defend your shit somewhere. Another derin UN. Oh, dogu kitim the wall, yes. Kitim UN Bogot. UN Bogot kadazol darab sala. Zol go we kadi darab sala fi Akoba. Zol go bas kadi darab sala fi Akoba. Ashandana Trump shubu. Oh yeah. Ashandana Trump shubu. Ashan Dama Trump but the shoe, but then I'll go with it. Got a drop Salaf Yakoba for Donald Trump to see you. Now, Donald Trump graduate to Kalamfar town, Kailang Kalamfar circuit. But having said that, I can imagine Panidiar that Rajil Barafi University and local got Kabir Devita far. There young Mishar. There young Mishar local got Devita far, which are far no bigger local got Kubar. I give them. The Bodor, water, Galgat, Bubble Tulung. Kabir Min Galgata Danga. Young Mishar got young Mishar got all the rest of the went. Who you the budget for America, Lord? Young Mishar got all the rest? Who you the for White House? And then again, Sura Wagi folk there, it's not him, the Makalam father saga. Jabu Sura without an God tell you the Madonna Trump. No. Who give a fuck about what you say? What should you say? What else should you say? Not too long ago, who to there be with Baravicana. Galo be over Vicana. We be over the Malaya, Vicana, Shalamis Vicana, Malaya. Wewe Malaya. Wanajua Swahili, hakuna Swahili. Wanajua pesa, hakuna pesa. Galo mungo moja. Riang Mishar ba yo mungo. Riang Mishar yo mungo vijinu. Mungo moja bas. Hakuna mungo bili. Hakuna mungo bili. Mungo moja. Robo na bas vijinu Riang Mishar. Robo na bas bata denga Riang Mishar. Nana Riang Mishar gari shakalu batayara do ga vijua. Riang Mishar gari ga bidi fi America o ga vijua. Riang Mishar lo ga bara de jirima. Denga gari jirimino. Riang Mishar juje na. Riang Mishar juje na fi all the rest. Riang Mishar jaga America fi all the rest. Riang Mishar gari darabu batayara vijua zaro mabaktul nafso. Ana Riang Mishar bara de yo mungo. Mungo bada denga, robo na bada denga de Riang Mishar. Wala Riang Mishar, we will kill him. Woo. nguju do le man yongane dumunu galle kum riyak mi shara ba mod boktul nafsu de samal gaitut kalama katalu samal gaitu de asal nan mandole banaru mudut es bol mudut nafat fi mal sakar ba kalam gaitut katalu bargazal kullu bisika ene de ba kalam gaitut de wakit kan technology ma be wakit noor ma ba computer wakit da noor ma ba computer noor ndo kurka bas na bol mudut de dakal fi bara maluka de tum de samak taru de samak bakalam Samuel gaitu. Just imagine Lloyd if you kill Riek Machar today, where Nuer got the computer for America, for Canada, for Australia, everywhere. What will happen? What will happen? The Dengal got for Alanil, Fizul Babdal. Riek Machar benefit the Nuer. The Moses. Now Taban Denga, they try to betray Riek Machar. Now the Lord got how far have they gone? Bakalamde. How far have they gone? Now the Denga be our man de Kulu. Nerwe about the Kulu na Lure na Munu na Kongjo Ranle. How far have they gone? Mafi man. Lana Riek Machar benut bale de Moses. De Moses. Walele de Riek Machar ma bebu fiara de Nuer la Riek Machar de Dol Salam. Lakin yom Riek Machar bogol gal kalas akam da gejang. Ma fi denga babdal fi junub san, believe me my brother. Believe me and you. Yom Riek Machar will sign fi ajata tokdwele. Ajat bata tribalism de. Lana Riek Machar lele Michela da Riek Machar fi junub. Riek Machar bas achan Riek Machar chokor jang lok. Ajal la Riek Machar bas fi community danwer. Other than that Riek Machar de Moses. Yom Riek Machar will sign bi shakala de Nuer dero denga dero de. That's akam Nuer ke jang. Yom Riek Machar bokut galam fiu de. Utum denga. Malu to mamshi fiu fi Junub Sudan. Utum baral fra bi jiskam. Muy mala banaro abiom na malele ma panru kulu. Ruwen kulu gad fi idara ta UN. Be miss call bas. Utum dakal bi idara ta UN. Miss call chuf mizagwet. Miss call bas. De yalda benti wal mashallah yalda bulul mashallah indu nyim mashallah umman kan jam kartum mem daade. They came to visit you. Lakin no shalu sunun ta bara amalu bier ne tok bier tok jok lo dakal fi arad bidaw ma bizul babdal ruwan kulu amalu mis call sagara fi mal banalo abem namde nas biga bema kala nas ga record everywhere but Nueraje Bayraju. Nueraje Koinogu. Miss call, you crying about miss call. I don't know how many people die. Lakin number keeps changing. Alele day, the 169. Tomorrow, 173. Another day, 200 something. What the fuck? Make up your mind. They come on, man. Bas. Mida gwe area class. Min my golas of Ruang and Nuer, ata Kubai side, Waka, Tilling de Galisla Okore. Not the religion of the world, Nuer Eben, not machine when, not machine UN. What? UN. So then go big over the UN. So now you like universe, it's a baby universe. It was not too long ago when you insulting Nuer Mashuluk, that the Nas Badakil, woman Bogo to Malta UN, Matal Bara. As I know a garden Bara, UN with a Malakal Gafalo, UN da Benti Gafalo, Udanga Yoka to the universe. Yaila. What kind of bullshit it is? Confederate. Unbelievable. That Denga need protection. Yani, Sayarat UN is not enough. Tayarat but Uganda is not enough. Too many things that have been brought by Salva Kiir to protect you is not enough. The Baba Tagbalek is not enough. Olang is not enough. Riagaikok is not enough. Mobordol is not Mobordol, why you not running your mouth anymore? Maite Galiam da Gariak Misharem Chilero, but a Liam Misharem Chilero, Liam Misharia America. Imagine Panadia. Ma danga beggar. Ma danga deal. Would you kill it away? Would you kill a mangong laliagam dade? ngong lo ya ga de ko le ruwe ngai to bene biem na mu abiem go so mu abiem yam da when we warn you to not but ngong lo ya de das yilil bata gum de boktul kum yilil bata gum de boktul kum tumbal ga nyak manuer mani their own business fi abaj ite dakal fiu ke ken chok wak te lagi da nyak bos fi abaj not jiran not akwan you don't know why they're fighting ana chulkawe de ni kan magila do zol mako lo fi zol ba mal difa la nyak dana and 2001 2002 mushal bata manuer ana amal difa lo man la they were right back then lakin alella nyak kaltam. That's why I told them you're wrong. Mata Bajmer, Lana Kalam, why they're wrong. This is why they're wrong. They reject citizenship with Anwer. Nobody can do that. It's a God given. It's not a dual citizenship, but Anwer is a God given. Pinwer but Habaj, the Munal Mabar of Ner but Habaj. The Munal Mabar of Ner but Habaj. They are to a Yak Almabar of Ner but Habaj. Lo ma pinwer fi abaji ma nyak bokun ma fi abaji kaman. These two communities, they're running the same business. Fi nyak bata jinuf, pinwer bata jinuf. Fi nyak bata abaji malian fi mani afala zini de ja be isum bata jinufin. Anyak bata jinuf bata abaji ja fi America na ujugi la nas bata abaji. He's running his mouth kul ma yom dezol bata abaji. Did you know what the fuck al ja ujugi la fi America? What make Ujugi a refugee? Uji hitim nuega nuega refugee. Ujugi the refugee. Ujaba isumada Junubusran. Lana abaj mind to lajin figambele. Finwer command to be fair, Finwer but abaj command the Nazian woman Malian to America. So these two communities are running the same bullshit, the same business. Ila nyak na ujugi la jabara gala la noir be jurmaraj ma fi noir fi abaj de munu be shil jinsiya bara noir bara Dr. Abi cannot do that. Nana when Dr. Abi was born noir already in Ethiopia amala zinawe gabal waladu noir fi Ethiopia ala salasi king ala salasi okid waladu noir fi abaj de munu be shil jinsiya bara zol bara Anyuak Balga Guamin when Anyuak is sharing a region, Albogolo, Gambela region, Matalada, comes a Gabel. When will Anyuak get power to excel at the tribe for Gambela? To excel at the tribe for Gambela? To decide the Munu into citizenship, the Munumabalga citizenship. While Anyuak is given citizenship by Abba just like anyone. The why? Nimrinen. Being a refugee is not a crime. That today, Philander refugee, they're not Marquez in. No, we all are refugees. In English, refugees. In English, let me lecture you a little bit. What is the meaning of refugee? Refugee is a refuge. And I got to bed, but I wreck. This is a good example. And I got to bed, but I'm minding my own business. In this shark, a two shark of an Aruboble. Shara Bomale. Ana shoro bongo era bigger sagaran. My hair catch fire. Boom! Ana dagal fi amam tawali. Kalas. Fire refat. Lakin bed arek. Ana bom shi bed tajran. While I'm taking refuge bed tajran, ana refugee. That's the definition of refugee. It don't have to be war. The man shakal abraw da sulayo ga tar dol ashanu dol kun refugee. The refugee. I took a refuge in somebody else. I become a refugee. Refugee, they malan bogot for 2 days, 3 days. And I'm male while they're trying to do something about my house. So being a refugee is not a crime. Rwanda president was a refugee in Kenya. Rwanda president was a refugee in Kenya. Maravata was a refugee in Uganda. Salva Kiir was a refugee in Abach. John Garang was a refugee in Abach. Dr. Lamakol was a refugee in Abach. Fola Narim Minanyak was a refugee in Abach. Philip Ubang was a refugee in Abach. Dr. Morris Ukun was a refugee in Abach. I was a refugee in Abach. Nya Dengarang was a refugee in Abaj. William Yon was a refugee in Abaj. So since when refugee become a crime, while where Denga Bamul support La Nyak to terrorize Nuer Kalang refugee. What's that? Care Markuma Sautum Danga Fadang. As I tell you, big refugees are. It's a guard for yet a UN as a Wanyak Manuel for Gambela, they shelling together. Nuer there, Torobara for Gambela, and now you did not do it. Now it is undone. It will never happen. Anyak Manuel for the Gambela, Kayakwan. Udenga Zer Bakala Mushot Batagum de, Mushot shall confluent, Afadang, shall dinner. Refugee camp. And you become a refugee now. And if you're not careful, after I'm cool become refugee. If you're not careful, then we short betagum de Tumbalga Nuer minding their own business, and then you start sharing for football. Oh, Akuma Berchin, Akuma Yeru the wheel, Akuma Yeru the wheel, Ubachua, Akuma de Gatao Yedu, Ubaktao Yedu command. Le Nana Namale, Mukmafi. Therefore, as I came after them, the moon got wild, they Salvakir.